222 raised to 333 plus 333 raised to 222 is divisible by which of the following numbers? Here 222 is an even number. Even raised to any number n is an even number. Even raised to any number n is an even number. Same way 333 is an odd number. So odd raised to any number n is an odd number. Odd raised to any number n is an odd number. Which means here first term is even and second term is odd. So even plus odd will give you odd number. So this whole term is an odd number. Whole term is an odd number. Odd number is not divisible by 2, which means option A, option C and option D eliminated. Option B is your right answer because odd number is not divisible by 2. Also, you have to remember one thing. Here, odd into odd will give you odd number. You can take any number between 1 to 9 as an example. Here, if you take 3 into 7, 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 21 is an odd number. So, here, that's why I said odd raised to any number n is an odd number. Odd raised to any number n means odd repeated n times. Here, product of odd numbers is odd. So, odd raised to any number is odd. Same way, odd into even. Take any number between 1 to 9. 3 into 4, 12, which is an even number. Same way, even into even. Even raised to any number is an even number. Product of even number is even number. Take any number between 1 to 9. 4 into 6, 24 is an even number. Same way, here, odd plus odd. 3 plus 7 is 10, which is an even number. And odd plus even. 7 plus 4 is 11, is an odd number. And even plus even is an even number. 4 plus 8, 12 is an even number. So in this way, you can remember things. No need to memorize. Just take example between 1 to 9. Also, here, whenever you see terms like this, a divided by 37 is a plus a plus a. Here, if you look at this, we have 222 and 333. So, 222 divided by 37 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, 222, I can write it as 37 into 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 6, I can write it as 2 into 3. Same way, 333. 333 by 37 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, 333, I can write it as 37 into 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 9, I can write it as 3 into 3. So 37 into 3 into 3 is equal to 333 and 222 is equal to 37 into 2 into 3. So if you want to split these terms, you can split these terms and rearrange this term.